Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Stripe for monetizing online courses with payments, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Stripe website. Click on the Start Now button to create a new account. Fill in your email address and desired password, then click Create your Stripe account. You'll receive a confirmation email. Check your inbox and click the confirmation link. Once confirmed, log in to your Stripe account. Next, complete the onboarding process by entering your business details. Provide the necessary information about your business, such as the name and address. Make sure to add your banking details for payouts. After that, navigate to the Developers section in the left-hand menu. Click on API Keys to find your publishable key and secret key. Copy both keys, as you'll need them for your online course platform. Now, open your online course platform, such as Teachable or Thinkific. Go to the Payment Settings section in your platform dashboard. Select Stripe as your payment processor. You will be prompted to enter the API keys you copied earlier. Paste your publishable key into the designated field. Next, paste your secret key into the appropriate field. Save the changes to connect Stripe to your course platform. To test your setup, make a small test purchase using a test card number provided by Stripe. Ensure that the payment processes correctly and reflects in your Stripe dashboard. Once confirmed, you can begin promoting your online courses. Remember to monitor your account regularly for payments and manage refunds as necessary. You're now set up to start monetizing your online courses with Stripe. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.